Good Thursday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, just Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Thursday. Now, going on ahead and looking at the radar right now, you could probably see that there's a little convection in there, but that's not rain. I'm pretty sure that is actually just I think that's just I'm not gonna say corruption. I'm trying to figure out the word with it. I'm just gonna say some corruption with it. That'll make it. Y'all know what I mean by corruption, but it's not really rain. It's just the radar acting funky. I mean, if you look at the Charleston radar, you can see obviously it's not there. Instead, Charleston has like it down here, but that's obviously not the case. Same thing with Greenville as well. Greenville obviously a lot more cleaner. But yes, those are. It's not rain, but the main point is that South Carolina is not receiving any rain right now. If we went ahead and look at the weather radar, check it out. Here you can see, if you look at the entire United States, you can see that mainly I'd say most of the U.S. is receiving some type of active condition. If you look at the Southeast, doing pretty good. Mid Atlantic doing pretty good. But if you look at the entire East Coast in general, up in here inside the Northeast, we are having some snow showers. Maybe even some heavy snow bands going through Maine right now. And then we also do have some snow going into Indiana and Illinois, as well as snow up here and into the Dakotas, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota. We also do have some ice going through Nebraska right now. And then we do have some rain and some ice up here inside Montana, and then rain up here inside of Idaho and Washington. And if you look down here near Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, heavy rain, heavy downpours is going on down there as well. From Dallas to Houston to Oklahoma City to Odessa to Lubbock to Abilene to Killeen, all those places. Just going ahead and move on to our cloud cover for right now. So cloud cover for right now, looks like we may have some isolated clouds just west of Charleston. But other than that, that's all I'm really seeing. Maybe some south of Augusta as well in Georgia. But don't be surprised if you see an isolated cloud out there today, or might see some isolated covering from a cloud today. The main clouds have not gotten here yet. They'll get here around tonight when the storm system is going to try and move in Friday, but the cloud cover always gets here a bit earlier than the storm actually does. Because it kind of, I'm not going to say prepares, well, yeah, it kind of does prepare the region for, it brings the cloud cover and it kind of lets you know, like, oh, well, this is kind of what's going on right now. Anyways, cloud cover can depict a lot, and it will be here around tonight. So now looking at the current temperatures: 44 Greenville, 48 Columbia, 52 Charleston, 53 Myrtle Beach, 44 Rock Hill, 46 Augusta, 44 Anderson, 52 Sumter and Florence, 52 Loras, 52 in Beaufort, 50 Savannah, 50 in Walterboro, 53 in Moncks Corner and Georgetown. So those are our current temperatures right now. Our maximum temperatures going until 8 p.m. 74 Columbia, 71 Sumter, 71 Florence, 61 Myrtle Beach, 60. I think that is 69 Charleston, 74 Savannah, 76 Augusta, and I already said 70s up there inside the upstate. So, seems like our main area of the warmest temperatures will be probably down there near the coast of Georgia and the very southern portions of South Carolina. So that's that. The coolest region will be up there inside of Myrtle Beach, where we will have the coolest conditions. Still warm, but cooler than everywhere else. 24-hour max wind gusts for the next 24 hours. We will have those wind gusts maybe up there inside the 15 to 20 mile per hour range. So do not be surprised if you get a brief wind gust out there. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours for South Carolina. And then here we go, our day 2 SPC outlook. We are under a a day two general risk of severe storms or general risk of storms in general. This technically just means that we have a chance of seeing some regular thunderstorms go through the the area. Not really meant to be severe. So that is for that. And day three, we also do have a day three risk as well. If you look at this, we are under another day three risk of excessive rate, not excessive rainfalls, of general thunderstorms again for Saturday. So we have a chance of thunderstorms for Friday, and we have a chance of thunderstorms for Saturday. Just matters where you are. Day two, it looks like it's most of South Carolina except for the main upstate region. And then day three, it looks like it's Columbia all the way down to the coast, like Charleston, Myrtle Beach. So, look at it. Look at if it's in your area. Thunderstorms are not really too much of big of a deal. We're just It's just when they get severe is when they're bad. But a couple rumbles of thunder and lightning, I think we all know what to do with those situations. Here's our day two excessive rainfall outlook. We are under a day two marginal risk of excessive rainfall, meaning that a 5% chance or isolated flash flooding can occur inside of flood prone areas. So if you're inside of a flood prone area, please know your plan. If the rain gets a bit too much and it starts to rise, and day three, there is no chance of excessive rainfall for South Carolina for day three. So that's going to about wrap this up. Thank you all so much for watching this morning forecast video. And I will see y'all tonight with, I think, the final update before the storm on Friday. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all this evening.